a full flight. What shall we eat? Salad and roast chicken, fusilli pasta or braised beef brisket. Are you eating?
Garlic bread.
Yours is the meat. Wow! We're here! We're taking the airport link to Central Station and then from there to King's Cross, and we're staying in the place at Hot Point, which is near the yoga place. Yay! It's been a long day. We're now walking towards Mrs. Macquarie's chair. So we're gonna take like a walk around from Potts Point to Mrs. Macquarie's chair, and then from there to Opera House and then the Rocks, and also just gonna walk around Sydney today. We just checked it out today because I didn't do much planning for the trip, and it looks like a nice easy walk. This city map is taking us through some back alleyway and now you're walking through like smaller lanes. Harbour Bridge! That's the Harbour Bridge. We can climb up, you know?
Wow.
We are in the Botanical Gardens, and let's see, where are we? We are here! So later we're gonna walk to Macquarie's chair, then go back through the whole garden all the way to the Opera House. Wow! Look! Sydney Opera House. Later we will walk down there.
Yeah.
Wow!
Parrot.
I don't know where. That's the parrot. Oh! That's a parrot! It's not parrot, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, where is it? Where is the parrot? We're here! Memories End. Okay, where is that rock? Well, that's nice.
Sitting on top of the world, I don't know if you heard. I'm living it up, yeah, ain't gon' stop, and I can't hear a word. Good vibes up in the air, and I got plenty to share. So come pick it up, there's tons to be got, and I'm spreading it everywhere. So call it luck and let it run amok. I'm telling your friends it's time to let the good times roll.
Cruise ship for comparison. The size of that guy. Harbour Bridge is there. Exciting! Can't wait to walk up. Sydney Harbour Bridge. Okay. It's a lookout hole. No, we made a mistake. It should be down. Yeah, never mind. We'll do it on either Wednesday or Tuesday. This is just a pillar lookup. So I think we asked the direction. Yeah, I think we were supposed to go down and up because it's another part. Ooh, we didn't get to go up the bridge, but we'll definitely go. And now we are gonna find this place called Morrison's Bar and Oyster? Or Morrison Bar and Oyster Grill, something? I don't know. It was recommended by one of my Instagram friends. So we are definitely going because we love to eat oysters. We are here. Okay. Wow, it's huge.
Yeah.
The Morrisons. Thank already 12 o'clock. I was sitting at home. My husband went for the Kinoyoga and did you enjoy?
Yeah. My seafood is there. My stalker. Stalker.
Anyway, it rained this morning, so it's a little bit cold, but the weather is, yeah, it looks like it's getting a bit better now. It's a bit chilly. There's a market around here, a little small one, and
These are good. You want to pay? You want 5? Yes.
so we're having tacos. Chicken wrap, they use the roti prata and Saigon with a duck egg. 佢用蛋，一個鴨蛋，唔知好食未？I think they use the roti canai.
Yeah.
Taking a walk now towards Westfield, Sydney, and I'm walking through King's Cross along Darlinghurst Road. Ooh, it's suddenly really sunny now. See the harbour bridge right there. Wow, it's suddenly a hot day. It's nice to walk around Sydney. When I was here like 15 years ago, we didn't do a lot of walking. I don't remember doing a lot of walking. Wow. St. James Church. What's this? Van Cleef and Arpels. Miu Miu, Prada. Wow. This is like high end. There's a line into Gucci. That is serious stuff. My God. Ooh, that is Chanel right there. Should I go in? Oh wow, that's pretty. Chanel. That's nice. I'm in Bondi. No wait, I'm in Westfield, Sydney. No, in Bondi. No, Westfield, Sydney. And yeah, I'm just walking around the shops. I'm actually a little lost because I have so many shops here. I want to go there. I want to go Tiffany, and there is Chanel as well. Ooh, sales. I'm gonna go downstairs. Actually, I want to go LV, but I have no idea where it is. Oh my gosh, Priceline. I haven't been into Priceline for the longest time. Wow, they sell the Ordinary here. It's crazy. I really want to try this sunscreen from the Cancer Council because, you know, Australia has really high rate of skin cancer, so apparently these are really good. Inside Myers now, and I'm taking a look at Mecca Cosmetica. There's Sean Sakai. Oh my god, testing my resolve. Wow, it's really beautiful. It's huge. Oh, somebody's getting married. Guy's pulling the ear. The same as these. Okay, we are back at Harry the Wheels, and we're gonna have a pie, and then we are gonna have drinks at a pub nearby. What are you doing?
That's all?
That's it.
14.
Okay, yeah, keep it. Alright, let's go.
Got green color.
It's pea.
Pea.
Green pea.
Green pea.
Ooh. Yum. Yum.
Yummy.